Hey Google, turn on dining light.
Okay, turning the dining light on.
Hey guys, welcome back again for another video, another parcel unboxing. But before that, I would like to promote my page, HCE Shop Select. It is a page that I created a while ago where I posted some my items for sale. So just follow nyo yung page ko guys and comment there if you want that item. Okay, so what we have here is nabili natin sa Global Merch Park. Yan, it came from China. It took me 4 to 5 days before na deliver. Okay, so yung original price nito guys is 984.45 on their page, but it was na-sale siya, nakakuha lang natin siya ng around 328.10. Okay, so masyadong malaking tipid yung nakuha natin guys, no? Okay, so by the way, isa lang tong unlicensed toy na yung Wina yung brand. It is a long arm crawler excavator. Okay, 1:50 scale yan. Okay, so if you interested by now, just check Global Merch Park on Lazada platform. But by now, ang sale price nila is around 635 something. Okay, so open na natin to. What cons kaagad na nakita natin. Bad box kaagad guys. You know, yung Burago na panood yun na ba yun? Yung Burago nung dumating siya, naka styro. While this one wala talagang protection. As you can see, bad box kaagad talagang bumungad sa atin. I hope hindi na damage yung item natin sa loob. Okay? So, ganun talaga. Pero it could been better no kung pinaks to ng seller ng maayos. Okay, so let's check the condition of the toy na. Okay, ang description nito is 1:50 na Wina 1722 long arm crawler excavator. Okay, so open na natin to guys. Sayang no, sana na-deliver na maganda yung condition ng box for display din sana yung box na. Yan talaga, it came from China and maraming pinagdaanan tong parcel na to. Sana lang na-ipack ng maayos na guys. Ano na tayo magagawa dyan guys. Okay, by the way, nakuha natin to ng cheap price. It is 328.10 plus shipping. It costs around 385 pesos. Okay, so eto na siya guys. Galing lang natin at meron pa tong dito eh. Wala na pala. Okay, so tanggalin na sa box. Ayan natin siya. Oops. Ayan. Okay na, mukhang okay naman yung item natin. Thank God that safe naman yung item. Wala pa akong nakikitang damage niya guys. Okay, so it is a Wina brand, unlicensed toy again that created, sino bang nag-create nito? Kasi nakalagay lang dito is Wina. Ayan. Okay, so it is a long arm crawler excavator. Okay, for the material that used in this toy, etong bucket niya is metal naman. Ayan. But yung nakikita niyong orange dito sa long arm boom niya is plastic made. May mga details dito ng tawag dito mga hydraulics hoses. It is rubber material. Dito, yan, rubber material din yan. And itong cylinder, this is plastic while metal to. Metal din naman yung mga pins niya. Yan. Okay na okay din. Yan, dito rin sa part na to, may etong chrome part na to is metal while yung black is plastic. Yan, meron din hydraulic hoses dito. Okay? So from dito sa cabin niya, this is plastic yung cabin. Hanggang ditong part na to. body. Yan, hanggang part niyan. Pero this is all plastic. Nakataka lang dito guys, oh, wala siyang glasses, oh. Hindi ko alam kung natanggal lang o palagay ko ganito talaga to eh, pero I think may production error ba dito? Tingin ko may production error to. Kasi dapat meron yan eh. Okay, so that is a plastic. May details na wala nga siyang oh. Wala nga siyang steering wheel, walang joystick na details eh. Just a seat. Okay? So this sa part naman to, itong body na to, this is metal. Yan, meron siyang printed naman yung ticket, yung na dito, dito sticker. Printed naman itong decals niya. Saka dito sa likod itong Wina, tingin ko, hindi. Tingin ko ito sticker to. Yan. Pero dito printed to. Yan. Plastic lang din itong base niya. At saka to, di sa may itong part na to, yung rubber niya magandang klase rin, no? Although manipis lang na rubber, pero ox naman siya. Magandang pang parts out din. Okay, so this sa top na to, this is plastic. Okay? So yeah, very similar sila nung na-review natin na Tengran yung brand. Okay, dito naman ganda rin yung niya to, yung decal niya dito, printed naman siya. Okay, so this part, yung parang grab bar na to, this is metal. Yan, yung detail niya dito, may hydraulic hoses. Yan, all the way there. This is a rubber. Okay, this is a crawler excavator na, and long arm siya, mas mahaba than usual. Itong boom niya, mas mahaba yan, mas mahaba yung reach niyan. And okay naman siya, articulated naman siya, nagagalaw naman siya ng maayos without issue. Okay, so yun lang na may functionality niya, itong bucket niya, yan, nagagalaw din niya kasi meron din siyang cylinder dito, hydraulic cylinder. Okay, so itong mga long arm excavator na ganito, ginagamit ito for deeper digging, and ginagamit din sa mga demolition. Yan, pagka yung i-demolish nila, yung gigibay nila nasa high rise or nasa taas ng building. Okay, so ganyan yung mga long arm excavator. Okay, so for the comparison of this toy, I have here yung Tengran. Mas malaki tong Tengran talaga kasi this is ang details natin, 1:40. While this one is 1:50. Yan, di ba itong Tengran meron siyang meron siyang glasses sa loob eh. So, look at that, yung yung pagkakaparehas nila, yung details nila. I guess parehas lang na manufacturer to. Pero mas malaki talaga tong Tengran kasi this is 1:40 scale. While this is 1:50. Yan. My recommendation for yung price na nakuha ko siya, it's a good good item na pandagdag natin sa display natin, sa shelves natin. Okay na rin, and I can ask for more. Mura ko lang niya siya nakuha, no guys. So kaya lang, by now, if you're interested checking this on Lazada page platform, nasa 600 pesos plus na siya. Okay, so ito pala yung Burago, 1:50 scale din to, yung recent na na-review natin. Itong mas naman to tawag dito, mas maganda naman yung details nung Wina. Teka, buksan natin para makita nyo yung comparison niya. Okay, ito kasi Volvo na to, cheap plastic yung part na to, itong dito sa boom niya. Ayan, while itong si Wina, may pagka siya, yung plastic niya medyo magandang klase naman siya compared doon kay Volvo na licensed by Volvo daw. Mas maganda naman klase itong Wina na to, and mas mahal lang ng konti ito. mas mahal lang ng mga konting pesos lang. Let's say mga 10 pesos, 15 pesos, ganun lang siya. Okay, ito si Volvo kasi look at the details. Hindi magandang material yung ginamit niya dito. While ito yung paint job nito, good na rin, 8 of 10, 8 out of 10. Maganda yung paint job niya, and yung plastic material na ginamit niya, magandang klase compared dun sa isa. Okay, so if you're gonna check it, gusto niyo rin bumili ng ganito, at least this video is a good reference, no guys. Alam niyo na yung material na i-expect nyo pag binili niyo to. Okay, so just my piece of advice, huwag niyo bibilhin to ng ganung presyo. Yung presyo na around 600, hindi siya worth it guys. Saka yung original price niya na 900 plus, hindi siya worth it guys. So hintayin nyo na lang na magkaroon kayo ng voucher, or bumaba yung price nito, and then grab this if you like this. Yan nakuha lang natin kasi 321 something lang, tapos plus shipping na 65 pesos, came from China pa. Okay, so okay na rin siya, no. Yun lang ang complaint ko, bad box. What do you expect? Marami ng pinagdaanan to, it came from China. Okay, so guys, that's it for this long arm roller excavator. If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook and YouTube account. Okay, just comment if you like Red, guys. And I'll see you next video, no. May mga parating pa tayong toys. Just stay tuned and follow me guys para ma-notify kayo kung makapag-upload ako ng another video. Okay, so I'll see you next video and goodbye.